to my channel. I am Lexis Michelle, and in today's video you guys are basically just going to be seeing me do a wig maintenance on myself. I done installed my whole entire wig. I done tried to bump the ends and everything, so I hope you guys like this video. Hope you guys will take a little bit of tips on this video. Disclaimer, in this video you guys are going to be seeing me running my mouth because I'm on FaceTime as I'm doing this video. Okay, so please y'all just try to ignore that. Just pay attention to me, just put on my wig. I want to say that because y'all probably be like, what the heck is going on? But I don't know if I'm going to speed this video up or if I'm going to slow it down. I'm not too sure how I'm going to do it yet, but I hope you guys enjoy. Either way I choose to do my video, but I don't want to talk too much. Let's go ahead, let's jump to the video. Okay y'all, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with my nude cap. Yes y'all, basically I'm just taking it out right now. Y'all, the color is very light on me, but I'm gonna most definitely use some makeup to go ahead and blend it out to my skin color. So right now I have two caps. This is going to be the first one I'm going to put on my head to protect my hair. I actually saw this method from another YouTuber. She used two wig caps. So I'm like, you know what, let me go ahead and try that process and see how it works out for me. And yeah, I kind of like it like that, so I'm basically really going to be sticking with it. So basically I'm just pulling it back so it could go back to where my braids started. So basically my edges area, I'm trying to make sure that it's secured on my head because y'all, I do not want it slipping back any of that while I put the second one on. So right here I'm just basically getting ready to put the second one on my head. So yeah, y'all pretty much get it. So right here y'all, I'm basically just going ahead and got my got to be glue spray. So I'm just spraying it around my edges y'all. I really use my finger to go ahead and try to blend the spray out against my wig cap. I really don't use a comb for this process. I don't know why. I just feel like my hands are more better because I can actually feel the freeze spray. I can actually move it around on my fingertips. So I really like using my fingertips for this process. So y'all, now that my freeze spray is dry, I'm going to go in with my kitchen scissors. And what I'm going to do, y'all, is I'm basically just going to try to get as close as I can to my edges when I go ahead and cut this cap. Y'all, because if I do not cut this cap right and I end up cutting it too far back, the glue is going to get on my hair. If I cut it too far up close to my eyebrows, my wig is going to legit sit on my face. So I need to make sure that I'm cutting it right on both ends of my head as well as the middle. Now I'm going to go in with my Ghost Bond glue. This glue is the truth, y'all. When I say I love me some Ghost Bond, baby, I love me some Ghost Bond. You can find Ghost Bond glue at your local hair store. About $18 to $20. I think $20 is the most. You guys can use any other glue to lay your wigs down, but I prefer my Ghost Bond glue over anything. Yeah, I really like to go in with 3 to 4 layers of this glue just because I want my wig to be secure. I do not want my wig to be lifting. I do not want my wig to be slipping back. So in this process, y'all, I basically just got my edge brush and I'm smoothing out the glue to make sure that there's no lumps and clumps in the glue, because when it comes time to apply that wig in that clumpy or that messed up area, the wig will not lay down properly, and I need my wig to be laid. I'm also making sure that I get the corner sections by my ears, because that is your stubborn spot. That spot tends to lift up before any other spot in your head. So it's most importantly, definitely must do, is to lay them corners down. My Black Radiance contour palette, y'all, this palette really comes in handy for the situation that I'm in. So as y'all can see, my wig cap is way lighter than my actual skin complexion. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and use the contour powder, which is going to be that dark chocolate, and then I'm going to use the sculpting powder, which is going to be that light chocolate color. I'm going to blend them both together to create my skin tone, because y'all, if I do not do that, my wig is going to look crazy. It is time to lay this baby down. I got this wig from Missy's Hair Boutique, y'all. This was a 16-inch straight wig, which I really love. My friend had already cut it, so I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and throw this back on. So basically, I'm just gonna go ahead and comb the hairs back, y'all, because when it comes time to put the wig on, I do not need any strings of hair getting between the lace, the glue, and my skin. This right here is what I like to call the pull down and push method. So I basically is going to just be pulling down my lace to the glue, and then I'm going to push the hair back with the comb. Y'all, I recommend this because this is kind of like the best way to melt your lace down. I see a lot of celebrity hairstylists in general do this.
So what I'm doing now is I'm just spraying some alcohol onto a rag, and I'm basically just going to clean off the excess glue. So I'm going in with my Rapid Stylist wrap. Y'all, when it comes down to laying my hair or baby hairs, I most definitely like to use a styling wrap instead of a hair scarf. That's just my preference. I feel like the styling wrap really lays your hair down. So this step right here, y'all, I'm basically just getting ready to comb out my hair so I could get ready to flat iron it. Do not worry, I had already put heat protector all over my wig before I even applied the heat on there. So let's go ahead, let's get it to it. The last and final step, I'm gonna try to bump my ends. Y'all, I really don't know how to bump ends. I tried my best to bump them and they came out pretty decent for my first time, but I need more practice with that, y'all, because I really don't know how to bump, and that's a shame. Okay, y'all, so that pretty much wraps up the video. So y'all, I basically just end up doing a wig maintenance. I end up letting my hair sit in silicone mix for probably about 30 minutes. I did not record that, but next time I got y'all on that. And I end up letting my hair air dry for at least like a day and a half. I let my wig sit outside and I let it air dry. Yes, that's exactly what I did. And it wasn't dry all the way. It was semi-dry, then I just blow dried it a little bit with my blow dryer, but I didn't too much let it get too dry, and that's why I kind of messed up at. So next time I know that I'm gonna just go ahead and let my wig dry off all the way. I also went with the look of the no baby hair look because I always have baby hairs before, but now I just want to try something new, and I kind of low-key like the no baby hair look just a little bit. I might end up doing some baby hairs tomorrow,
But it's kind of late, y'all. It's 1:07 in the morning, and I don't feel like trying to do baby hairs right now. But I honestly like it, and then I end up trying to bump my ends. I tried to, and this is what I got. So I mean, it's not too bad. It's not too, you know, too much or not any of that, but I bumped it the best way I can. I honestly like the outcome of my hair. Like, my hair is so cute. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna wrap my hair up because I'm gonna get ready to go to bed. I'm gonna catch some Z's. But I hope you guys like this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. I want to say, comment down in the comment section if you guys can. I know lately my comments been turned off. I don't know why, but for some reason they has been turned off. I don't like that. But if you guys can comment down below what you guys want to see next from me. And also subscribe to my channel if you already have it, because you already watched me do my whole entire hair like at 1 in the morning. So you might as well go ahead and subscribe to my channel. But I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Peace.